Bhanu garu cheppandi, like what kind of cases coming up to you? Like now there are like sounds like a lot of revoking visas and all students and other way from the H-1B visas and all.
Thank you, Simagaru, for asking me
Yeah.
this question. And thank you, USTV one. And I think this show is a need of the hour for everybody. And we have excellent panel members over here. And see, whatever the approach, whether it's a government, whether it's an individual, everybody has to abide by the law and the rules. Nobody is above it. Even executive branch is not above that. When we see this termination of student statuses without giving a proper notice for a minor infraction like traffic violations, which are civil violations, it's mind-boggling. Why it's mind-boggling is I don't know if is there any statutory basis or regulatory basis for terminating their service students and forcing them to be out of status in this country who are legally staying in this country. Okay, and so all the students who are approaching us, they are wide spectrum of individuals. Some of them have misdemeanor offenses
Yes.
like DUIs or speeding tickets, or some of them have just a small minor traffic violation, like 5 miles above the speed limit, 10 miles above the
Mm.
speed limit, or cross the red line, or fail to yield to the sign, and all these things. And those are civil violations, not even criminal violations.
Mhm.
You see, that's why when they're coming to us, because we don't even know, they have not provided any notice or anything like that, we are also confused exactly what approach we can take to advise them and what to be done and everything. So whatever the possible venues we think is available for them based on the statutory basis, based on the statute or in the regulations, we are advising them to do that. And we are trying to proceed with these cases accordingly. As a students, that's what they have to do. Do not get scared with various rumors coming around saying that ICE is going to come and arrest you and all these things. No, if you want to stay in this country, if you think that you have not done any wrong, you're eligible to have your immigration benefits in this country, then you have to make your arguments. You have to put forth your arguments before the administration. Whether you will succeed, you will not succeed, it's a different thing. And other thing, what I advise to the community right now, especially the students community right now, is that, see, they want you to leave this country, irrespective what you're contributing to this country intellectually as a student. And if they force you to leave this country, and if you go to this country, there is no certainty that you're going to get a visa under these circumstances. So whatever venue is possible for you legally to proceed yourself here, that's what you need to do. And I do not want to talk about the people who says that they came in 30 years ago, 40 years ago, and now they see that all this wrongdoings from the people, because we are not here to judge people here. As an attorneys, we are not here to judge people. We are not here to judge
Yes.
what it is and everything. Our job is to see what are the rules are, what are the regulations are, what the laws are, and whether these people are abide by those rules and regulations or not, and whether even it's on the both sides, whether on the government side, administrative side, or on the individual side. As an attorney, I think myself or Prashanti Garu or Madhurima Garu, that's what we try to do. That's what we advise to do. That's all I can tell right now, Sima Garu.